So here's the fit for Sunday. We're actually not doing a separate Sunday vlog. We're going to combine them just because we don't have a ton of footage for Saturday or Sunday. But to start out, got this tie-dye Piggly Wiggly shirt. Krista and I will be matching. And then tying it together with some reds here. Got the red Jockey No Bunch boxers, a pair of red Nike socks. And then I don't have any red shorts, so I'm just wearing these shorts because I think these may have already been in a Fitbit earlier, but I ended up not wearing them. I forget what they were for, but I ended up not wearing them. Just a pair of Wrangler shorts. Got one zippered pocket over here for whatever you need. It's not really big enough for a phone. I usually keep like my keys or my credit card in there. And then you got one tech pocket right here on the back side of the shorts there. So as I mentioned, we were at a wedding yesterday, and I totally forgot I have this whole Tupperware of rice, just regular rice from drying my phone out after it got washed in the ocean. I should have taken it and thrown it at the bride and groom, because that's, you know, a thing people do sometimes. Ooh, we gotta fix that hair. Look at that. Ooh. Almost better. There we go. Much better. It is 10:49, and I feel like most people are awake by now, so we're just gonna see how much noise we can make in the hotel room and see if anyone yells at us for it. The room service lady is right outside, so we'll see if she says anything. So here is the tour of Krista and I's hotel room as promised, now that we got all of our stuff out. This was room 219 at the Marriott Courtyard on Greenwich Road. So you can see, walk in, turn to the right, here's the bathroom over here. Here is the toilet and shower in a separate room. All the dirty towels we've used in the last 3 days. Amenities in here included an ironing board and an iron, which you guys saw yesterday, but we also have a hair dryer, and I don't know exactly what those are. I'm thinking maybe that there's a couch up here that's blankets for. I mean, I know there's a couch, but maybe that's what those blankets are for. And walk in here, nice little space. Got a bed, I think it's a king size bed, I'm pretty sure. 2 nightstands, phone, each one has a little lamp right there that you can just reach over from the bed, turn the lights on or off. Over here we got a TV, a couple dresser drawers, mini fridge, coffee machine, microwave, another little desk light. Right here, this was nice, you can push it all the way in and get it out of your way if you aren't going to be doing any desk work, or if you're going to be doing a lot of work while you're here. You can just pull this table out. You can even move it wherever you want in the room. Got the AC right there. This room has its own thermostat. There's the couch, which, oh yeah, that is one of the couches you can pull out into a separate bed. A little bit of artwork, some fancy little cube lamps here. And out here we also have a balcony, so I'll show that to you guys in a second. All right, here's the balcony with a beautiful view of another hotel. This room, I believe, was only like $90 a night. So just imagine how much those people over there are probably having to pay for their beautiful view of us. It's probably at least $95 a night. Here's our balcony. Nothing crazy to it. Yep. Nice little view of Greenwich Road, and I think that's like Interstate 264 right there. Fun times. Yeah, we enjoyed it here. Nice place. Pretty cost effective. I think like Saturday was more expensive. I think Saturday night might have been like $120, but Friday night I think was only like $90. They do have separate trash and recycling, which Krista and I made use of because we got a bunch of water bottles for while we were traveling.
Alright, we're gonna see if we can get some vlog footage of Joseph as he is attempting to ride our return car. It does look like he may have gone out of the frame forever, and yeah, he's back to being normal. Okay, well that was disappointing.
So we are all packed up, leaving the hotel right now. As you can see, Krista and I have the matching Piggly Wiggly shirts on, which is pretty fun. Yeah, so just a little recap of last night. Morgan and Nate did get married. Yeah. They said the vows and everything. Yeah. But so once
that was good.
I got some footage of you being a bridesmaid, but after that I didn't film all night.
Yeah.
So just kind of, that's what we were doing, being at the wedding. And then this morning, getting up and leaving, you saw most of that. The other big highlight you missed is Friday night, on the way home from the rehearsal, we got some of this apple cider at Walmart, and it's delicious. And we've drank in that much so far. So we have a little bit left for the road.
Stay in the middle lane.
So we're at the Norfolk Outlets, or it's called something like that. We thought it was a military base. We just saw that there was supposed to be a Jamba, so we're going to get some Jamba. Place seems pretty nice. But yeah, we were pulling up and we were like 3 minutes away, and all we could see was barbed wire and landing strips. So these outlets are apparently right by a military base. We were worried that we weren't going to be allowed to go to them. Cute little gazebo there over the lake. Unfortunately, we were on... Yeah, there would be a fountain, but it's turned off, I guess. We are on quite a time crunch, so we're not going to be eating there. Here's the courtyard area, the outlets. Pretty nice shops here. Nice to see some in-person retail that's still open. Oh, and here's Jamba Juice, perfect. Got our Jamba Juice. What'd you get?
The go-getter.
The go-getter. She is a go-getter. A lot of hustle in this girl. Starting a new job tomorrow. Then I got the acai antioxidant. Is good. Only took 2 sips to remind me that this is actually my favorite smoothie place. They don't have them anywhere near us, but it's pretty good, guys.
Alright, so we're still at the mall, just got our Jamba Juice. We're gonna see if we can get a free Bahamas vacation for 2. Just for funsies.
So they can pester us with spam calls.
Yeah, it's more fun this way.
So we pulled into this Sheetz here. It's our 9th Sheetz stop of the trip, probably the last. But at first I thought it was gonna be really sketch till I realized these are all lotto tickets and they're not marking shell casings. Alright, so it's a little late for coffee for me, but we're still gonna see if we can like speed run some hot chocolate. It might take me a little longer because I haven't been practicing, but if it works.
I think I want hot chocolate.
Chocolate. That was disappointing. I had a lot of clicks that it didn't register. I don't know if you guys saw that. Just got last Sheetz drinks of the trip, probably.
Hot chocolate.
So I got a raspberry hot chocolate. Krista, what'd you get?
Almond milk hot chocolate.
Alright, yeah. Last ones of the trip. How is it?
Well, I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, alright. Mine's good. I tried it. Driving away from Sheetz. Goodbye, but it's not the end. I promise to come here again.
Oh.
So we're on 85 South, near Greensboro maybe? We have an emergency scene up here. It could be very exciting.
Been in traffic a while now.
Yeah, we're gonna wait till the last second to get over so we can see what is going on.
Looks like a little cray-cray stuff going on up here.
Like everyone else.
Yeah. I'm sorry, broskies. We gotta get over.
We'll get over it right after this one.
Okay, yeah.
He's letting us over. Cool. So who is that? Burlington? So the ladder truck out here from Burlington.
The Burlington Fire Department.
Now we gotta get over again now.
Oh shoot.
I don't know if someone's gonna let us over. Alright, this Kia's letting us over.
Okay, perfect.
Shout-outs
People
to
have
Kia.
been very nice.
Burlington Fire Department.
Letting us over. They're closing off
Got a
2
ladder
lanes. We're gonna drive slowly and pay attention to the road.
Some sort of an engine here.
Alright.
So it looks like Burlington Tower 1 and Engine 2 on the interstate with
Could it be just a rear
Battalion
end?
2.
Yeah. Yep, they got rear-ended in the traffic. Wow, so
And
exciting! So
Engine 3.
exciting!
Yeah, so Engine 3, Engine 2, Battalion 2, and Tower 1 with EMS operating on I-85 South for a 2-vehicle
was fun. Woohoo, no traffic. Hopefully it doesn't come back.
All right, so we did end up back at Sheetz. I didn't get any other drinks or anything. We're just getting gas, unloading all of our rewards points we've gotten throughout the trip. We now have 5 cents off a gallon, so we're about to pump some gas here. We are at the first Sheetz we stopped in on the way up. It's exit 75 Jake Alexander Boulevard on I-85 in North Carolina, Salisbury. So yeah, this is the closest Sheetz to our house, so we're gonna use up all our fuel points while we're here. All right, we're back in South Carolina. We're at Walmart here. It still smells like weed. Yeah, the Walmart parking lot here smells like weed. And, you know, so did our hotel in Virginia, so did New York City. But, yeah, we're at Walmart right now. Krista's running in to grab some produce. I just parked around side, got the online pickup. So we're getting ready to go home, but I do want to say Krista and I have enjoyed our time on the car ride today listening to our hashtag relationship goals playlist. So if you want to follow our hashtag relationship goals playlist on Spotify, I'll put the link in the description. And then, yeah, we'll probably do an official little goodbye, thanking you all for watching the vlog and everything once Krista gets back and we get back to our apartment in a couple minutes here. But, preemptively, thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed the series. And we'll thank you again and say goodbye again when Krista gets back. Okay, vlog fans. So Krista and I are home, eating some dinner, getting ready for work tomorrow. We're both going back to work. Do you have anything you want to tell them before we sign off?
It's been fun. Highly recommend.
What do you highly recommend?
Just if anyone wanted to just try to repeat the exact trip we just took, like with Wedding and all, that'd be
It was fun.
Impressive.
It was fun. Yep. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everyone.
All right, we're gonna see if we can get some vlog footage of Joseph as he is attempting to ride